whether it's AI or some of these composable ERP solutions and integration engines and BI tools and interoperability sorts of tools out there like Palantir and Snowflake. Rapid is another one. There's several systems that allow you to potentially keep your back office systems in place, but give you some workflow engines and better user experience, but leave the core back office technologies in place potentially. I'm not saying that's what you should do. I'm not saying that's a good or bad thing. But for some organizations that have deeply entrenched legacy systems, maybe for regulatory reasons, or maybe just because it's a custom solution that's been developed over decades of a business lifespan, it's risky. It's always going to be risky. Every new technology you replace is going to be risky. So a way to moderate or mitigate some of that risk is to look at other options like interoperability tools, composable ERP, potentially AI. Now, I will say AI is going to work a lot better if you've got cloud ERP sort of solution, that's going to better enable AI, but you can still use AI in other environments as well.